What's up, Tryharder people? It's your man Omar. Today I want to bring you a salmon recipe. I'm not very good at cooking fish, honestly, so this has been a very hard challenge for me. But let's see how it tastes. Very good.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act.
Once again, everything you need is on the table. A nice salmon fillet, of course, breadcrumbs, basmati rice, white Greek yogurt, almond milk, olive oil, salt and the seasonings. Now that we got all we need, it's time to start by seasoning the breadcrumbs. I use some garlic powder, black pepper, chili powder, some paprika and of course a little pinch of salt. Mix it up and add up a teaspoon of olive oil to finish this step. Now leave the breadcrumbs aside, cause it is time to take care of the big star of the show, salmon. Put a little bit of olive oil on it and then proceed to season it with salt and black pepper. That little layer of olive oil is gonna protect the delicate salmon meat even during the cooking.
Taxi, then we're kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play, and I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love was handmade for somebody like me.
A little massage, of course, and the salmon is done as well.
Let's not talk too much, grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead, come on now, follow my lead.
As last thing, we're gonna prepare a very easy but super tasty curry cream to use on our delicious salmon. 1 tablespoon of white Greek yogurt, a couple of teaspoons of curry powder and just a little bit of almond or coconut milk. Mix it up and taste to understand if you need to adjust with a pinch of salt. Right, that's the only reason why I did this. At this point, we are definitely ready to cook. Set a frying pan on medium-low heat and the grill on high heat. Throw the breadcrumbs into the pan and the salmon on the grill. I really suggest you to start from the half side with the skin. In this way, you can get the salmon well cooked without being afraid to burn it. When you can see the salmon getting pinky white, it's time to turn it. In a couple more minutes, it will be ready. Now, about the composition, here's my idea. On the bottom, a bed of basmati rice. The king himself laying on the bed for a quick nap. On top of it, a blanket of crispy breadcrumbs to keep him warm. Outside, a sunny rain of creamy curry sauce. And finally, some green veggies to decorate. Damn, I should have been a poet. Well, what do you think about this recipe? Let me know with a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to get new delicious recipes every week. I'll catch you very soon. See y'all!